Imagine this. What if financial freedom didn't demand sacrifices you can't afford? What if wealth wasn't reserved for people with fat bank accounts, but was waiting for anyone brave enough to start with just $2 a day? That's less than the price of a cup of coffee. One small choice, 5 days a week, totaling just $10. That could quietly but powerfully transform your entire financial future. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. You don't need to understand complex charts or obsess over market swings. You just need to start. And starting changes everything. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on 3 unique ETFs that could turn small, consistent actions into life-changing results. This isn't about gambling. It's not about getting lucky. It's about harnessing the most powerful force in investing: time and compounding. The same strategy that's created millionaires from ordinary people who simply refused to quit. I'll show you and Bobby these 3 high-growth ETFs in reverse order. The first ETF can turn $2 per workday or $10 per week into over $372,336. The second unique ETF can turn $2 per workday or $10 per week into over $387,374. While the third ETF can turn $2 per workday or $10 per week into over $902,871. And at the end, I will show you and Bobby how the combined portfolio of these high-growth ETFs could potentially generate a whopping $1.6 million. The best part? You're already capable of this, right now, today. Forget the noise. Forget the idea that you're too late or don't have enough. The truth is, every wealthy person started somewhere, and having spoken to several hundred, I can confidently tell you that most started small. They just had the courage to take the first step and the discipline to keep going. This is your moment. Welcome to Investments Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Before we continue, please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Let's dive in. The best ETF for 2026 isn't hiding on Wall Street. It's waiting for someone like you to claim it. These aren't just funds. They're tools of transformation, vehicles that carry your dreams forward while you sleep, work, and live your life. Warren Buffett said it best: the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So, ask yourself, are you willing to be patient? Are you ready to bet on yourself? Firstly, remember that lasting wealth is created by following proven principles that protect you from chaos while positioning you for growth. The market will always be unpredictable, but spreading your investments across multiple areas ensures you're not relying on a single outcome to win. When one investment stumbles, others keep moving forward, allowing you to capture gains wherever they appear. And that's why investing in ETFs is a no-brainer. True financial progress comes from balance, combining stability to endure downturns, growth to accelerate long-term gains, and income that rewards you along the way. This balance isn't generic. It aligns with your goals, your timeline, and the future you want to design. In addition, keeping costs low is non-negotiable because high fees quietly erode your results year after year. By focusing on ultra-low-cost ETFs, you allow more of your money to stay invested, compounding in your favor instead of disappearing into fees. Time then becomes your greatest advantage, turning consistent contributions into exponential growth through the power of compounding. Now, let's dive into the ETFs. I will provide them in reverse order. Claiming the third position on this list is the modern growth powerhouse, is the Invesco NASDAQ-100 ETF, better known in its lower cost form as QQQM, the Mini Q. This unique ETF is designed for investors who want cutting-edge ETF investing without paying premium fees. QQQM tracks the same NASDAQ 100 index as QQQ, but with a lower expense ratio, making it an excellent tool for long-term wealth building and financial freedom through a disciplined buy and hold strategy. This unique ETF provides concentrated exposure to the most innovative non-financial companies in the market. Leaders in technology, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, e-commerce, and digital infrastructure. While diversified across industries, its growth engine is powered by companies that reinvest aggressively and scale globally. The expense ratio sits at a competitive 0.15%, allowing compounding to work more efficiently over decades. From an income perspective, QQQM offers a modest dividend yield of approximately 0.49%, with dividend growth mirroring that of QQQ, as both track the same index. But like SCHG, this ETF is built for growth investing. Its long-term share price appreciation averages around 17.2% annually, supported by strong historical performance, including a 5-year annualized return of 17.20%. Well, as the saying goes, numbers don't lie. Using the compounding formula, let's break down what Bobby's $2 per workday or $10 per week investment will look like based on the stated metrics. We will be using the compounding formula for these projections. And as a reminder, the compounding formula is simply future value equals the present value multiplied by 1 plus the rate of return raised to the power of the number of years you stayed invested. This is very easy. Just stick with me for a few minutes. To calculate the future value, FV, of your portfolio, you start with your present value, PV, which is the amount you invest today. In Bobby's case, the PV is $10 per week. You then add 1 to your annual return rate, R, expressed as a decimal. Based on this formula, after 10 years of consistent contributions, Bobby's portfolio would compound to roughly $11,861. At the 20-year mark, the portfolio would reach about $71,586. And after 30 years, that small weekly habit could grow into approximately $372,336. No shortcuts, no hype, just consistency, innovation, and time, working together to quietly build real wealth. Sounds fantastic? Stick around, because at the end, I will break down a single ETF that will generate almost $1 million with just $10 per week. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, even just a little, please subscribe and hit the like button to help us continue to provide more insightful and educational videos. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. Claiming the second position is the Schwab US Large Cap Growth ETF, ticker symbol SCHG. For investors committed to disciplined investing, intelligent ETF investing, and sustainable wealth building, SCHG proves that financial freedom doesn't require massive lump sums, just consistency and patience. This ETF tracks the Dow Jones US Large Cap Growth Total Stock Market Index, providing exposure to roughly 750 of America's most dominant growth companies through a true buy-and-hold strategy. SCHG leans heavily into innovation-driven leaders, with over 60% of its portfolio concentrated in technology-related sectors. Its top holdings include Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Meta, companies that sit at the center of global growth. With more than $40 billion in assets under management and an ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.04%, SCHG allows compounding to work with minimal friction over time. From an income standpoint, SCHG offers a modest 0.36% dividend yield, growing at an average annual rate of 12.64%. But this ETF is built for growth investing, delivering a long-term annual total return of approximately 17.9%, based on 17.55% price appreciation plus 0.36% dividend yield. Still using the compounding formula, let's apply those metrics to Bobby's realistic investing habit of $2 per workday, or $10 per week, totaling $520 per year. After 10 years of consistent weekly investing, his portfolio would compound to roughly $11,965. At the 20-year mark, the portfolio would grow to about $73,268. After 30 years, That simple $10 per week habit would build into approximately $387,374. No market timing, no stress, just consistency, compounding, and time doing the heavy lifting, which is proof that small actions, repeated long enough, can create extraordinary results. Taking the top spot on our list is the Technology Select Sector SPDR ETF, ticker symbol XLK. For investors committed to long-term investing, disciplined ETF investing, and accelerated wealth building, XLK offers one of the purest large-cap technology exposures in the market. The fund tracks the technology sector within the S&P 500, focusing on dominant industry leaders at the center of innovation, productivity, and digital transformation. With over $93 billion in assets under management, XLK isn't just popular, it's institutional grade. XLK is built for scale and efficiency. Its ultra-low expense ratio of 0.08% allows compounding to work with minimal friction, making it a strong candidate for a long-term buy-and-hold strategy. The ETF is heavily weighted toward mega-cap technology companies that generate massive cash flows and benefit from global demand for software, hardware, cloud infrastructure, and AI-driven solutions. From an income standpoint, XLK offers a dividend yield of roughly 0.54%, though dividend growth has been modest, averaging 3.73% over the past 5 years, with some recent volatility. This ETF isn't designed to lead with passive income. Its true strength is growth investing. Over the long term, XLK has delivered exceptional performance, with a 10-year annualized total return of approximately 21.7% and average annual share price appreciation of around 21.5%. Now, let's apply that performance to Bobby's $2 per workday, or $10 per week, which totals $520 per year. After 10 years of consistent contributions, Bobby's portfolio would compound to roughly $14,798. At the 20-year mark, the portfolio would reach about $122,242. After 30 years, that small weekly commitment could grow into approximately $902,871. This is the power of focused technology exposure, low costs, and time, quietly compounding toward long-term financial freedom. Now let's bring it all together and look at what happens when SCHG, QQQM, and XLK are combined into one disciplined, growth-focused portfolio using consistent contributions and the future value of an annuity formula. Assume Bobby invests $2 per workday into each ETF, which equals $10 per week per ETF. Across SCHG, QQQM, and XLK, that's $30 per week, or $1,560 per year, invested steadily using a true buy-and-hold strategy. Rather than relying on a lump sum, this approach leans on time, consistency, and compound core principles of long-term ETF investing and wealth building. After 1 year, Bobby would have contributed $1,560, laying the foundation. By the 5th year, the portfolio grows to about $11,324. By year 10, disciplined investing compounds to about $38,615. At the 20-year mark, the portfolio would accelerate to approximately $267,093. And by year 30, that same $30 per week habit could compound into an estimated $1,662,581. This combined portfolio demonstrates the real power of growth investing. No guessing, no market timing, just consistent contributions, elite growth ETFs, and time doing what it does best, turning small weekly actions into long-term financial freedom. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth the smart way. Please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Click on the next video on your screen. Thank you, my friend.